Miario ya Kalonzo Musyoka yukite orire kuri na urugare wake utatigwa tanone ya mungethano NASA thutha wa mutongoria wa nini bunge-ini Francis Nyenze kuthigia kwiyeheria gwa kiama kia Wiper ngwataniro-ini ya NASA. Kalonzo akiyeheria na miario ya Nyenze ningi akauga ona Nyenze ari na kihoto gya kuruta woni ona kana murugamo wake no ti murugamo wake kiama kia Wiper.
I don't even expect my brother Raila Odinga to defend me because he's defending an impossible position. The reality is, if others leave NASA, they will leave and leave me NASA.
Nyenze riga kuga kugia kinyania Kalonzo de kurirukia fedra gwatano ya mungethano kia makiukia ya kwiyeheria gwatano yo. Kalonzo akionekana kunyururia abuge akiama kia ODM mudomu na gavana wa kaunti ya Mombasa Ali Hassan Joho aria makoretwo magititirithia Raila Odinga no gukarirukia fedra gwatano yo.
To an ability to respect what other people's opinions are, however much you may disagree with them. So if Honorable Nyenze expresses a strong opinion about his leader, give it to him. I think Kenyans are yet to know who I am. Yes. I've made of steel inside. Please, therefore, engage yourselves in other discussions, not on this one.
Kalonzo akoretwo akirikana aritanya nire gukarugama ari wika atati amwe ngwataniro ya mungethano makiuga ati aratindikiririo ni ang'etheri a NASA. Nyenze gikaruni na ndikia mohoro wa ngati sikiumia giki augite aragia handu-ini ha Kalonzo nduria Kalonzo eheranitie naguo.
Definitely, and he was provoked by one Midiwo, Jacob Midiwo, whose business has been to undermine him. And I think he should be asked. In fact, the mistake Francis Nyenze made was not to really say what had provoked that situation, which has now become something taken out of its context.
Mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga muthi wa Iran ereranirie kwaria na Kalonzo akimwira de kwihera ngwataniro ya NASA. Kifarwa gya gwetha urio karirukia fedra ya ngwataniro iyo gitarikira ithana na Kalonzo akiuga ati atongoria cio ana nio magatwithania kifarwa kiu. Na Murunoi Musalia Mudavadi akinyururia aria marerikana makoretwo mari mehari ni makuma ngwataniro-ini iyo.
Fika wakati mtu akiangalia nyuma, haswa kwa wale wanne, utakuwa jiwe kama yule mke wa Lot ambaye aliambiwa usiangalie nyuma na akaangalia nyuma na mambo yake yakakuwa mabaya. Si namna hiyo?
Kiuria kiria gitari kiracokio ngwataniro-ini ni no ukarukia fedra ya ngwataniro ya hamwe ya NASA tariki 8 wa kanana mwaka uyu. Kalonzo Musyoka riona akiendekithia mihang'o ino ndigakorwo ikihikwo ningi akiuga kamiti ya mwanya ya memba 12 tiwe gatwithania kiuria giki. Grifotera Inoro TV kuma Nairobi ritwara kuna Macharia wa Gachuru.